In this video, we're showing you how to buy and order from JoyaGoo. So this website is similar to All China Buy, AliExpress, 1688, and other websites like that, where a Chinese agent will buy Chinese products from China. They will ship them to a warehouse, and then from there you can get it delivered personally to your own house. So the first thing to do is find a product. Search is available on the different websites here. You can also find links online. So yeah, I can share this link with you. Here has many items that we can put into JoyaGoo. So once you have chosen a product, you want to search for it here. And here there'll be some pictures, well, not very good picture to be honest. And then continue with your order. You want to add to cart. When you are ready, you can submit order. Select all, submit order. Here we can review any information. Press I have read agreement and press buy now. So here there will be an option to use either the balance, debit, credit card, or a scroll account. Once you've done that, it will require you to put in your information and then you pay for your order. So once the order has been placed, the order will be order processing. At this stage, they will start accepting orders and initiating the buying process for us. So when the seller sends out the item, it will say seller sent. And then it will arrive at the warehouse, stock arrived, and then they will send us quality check photos and videos of our product that we purchased. And then from there, once that has got to your warehouse, that will give you the option to go fill out your address information. So once it is in the warehouse, it is important to fill in your address information to go down to account settings, address, and add your delivery address here. Once you have done that, once you've paid for your product and added a delivery address, you'll be able to go into, there'll be an option for you to go into that and select a delivery service to your place. So that is how you buy and order from JoyaGoo. I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.